How to route box joints on the Leigh Box Joint and Beehive Jig. The Leigh Box Joint and Beehive Jig, model B975, makes it easy to route 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch box joints in board widths up to 9 11/16 of an inch and 13/16 of an inch thick. Box joints are extremely strong and well suited for a variety of projects, from a simple box to a beehive. All box joint routing is done with the included Leigh 160 1/2 inch bit and the Leigh E10 guide bushing. 4 boards are prepared for making a box. All routing starts with the side stop in the socket board stop position. The first socket board is secured in place in a vise or portable workbench. Then the box joint and beehive jig is placed on top of the socket board, centered and clamped in place. The side stop is locked in place against the socket board and is now set for all socket and pin board routing. The socket board is routed by moving in and out of the template openings. This leaves a socket at each edge of the board. The jig is removed, the socket board is flipped, and the procedure is repeated to route the other end of the board as well as the second socket board. The pin board stop is flipped into position, providing the correct offset for the pin board relative to the socket board. The first pin board is secured in the vise and the jig is set in place with the pin board stop against the edge of the board. With the jig clamped in place, the pin board is routed. This leaves a pin at each edge of the board. The procedure is repeated on the other end of the pin board. Once completed, the second pin board is routed using the same techniques. With all 4 boards now routed, the box is assembled. Any joint fit adjustments are done with the E10 guide bushing. The outside barrel of the E-bush is elliptical in shape, unlike standard guide bushings which are round. Because of this, as the E-bush is turned within 90 degrees, the active diameter of the E-bush increases or decreases, resulting in a tighter or looser fit. Settings are recorded in the user guide for easy repeatability the next time you route box joints on the Leigh Box Joint and Beehive Jig. For more information on the box joint and beehive jig, visit leighjigs.com. All Leigh products carry a full 5-year warranty. Leigh products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.